Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your HP docking station is showing a rapidly blinking light, the dock may be trying to indicate a power, connection, or hardware communication issue. Depending on the model, a fast flashing indicator can appear when the HP docking station is not receiving proper power, is having trouble communicating with the connected laptop, or detects a condition that requires attention. The good part that this type of issue can often be resolved without replacing the dock. A few quick checks may be all that's needed to restore normal operation. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple troubleshooting steps that may help stop the fast blinking light on your HP docking station. Try these. Step 1. Check the power adapter connected to the HP docking station. Step 2. Inspect all cables attached to the HP docking station. Step 3. Disconnect and reconnect the laptop to the HP docking station. Step 4. Verify ports on the HP docking station are secure. Step 5. Restart the HP docking station completely. Step 6. Monitor the status light on the HP docking station again.